In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom element to your web page effectively and efficiently. We'll delve into this process step by step so that you'll have a clear understanding and confidence to apply this knowledge whenever needed. Let's get started. First, navigate to the left side of the editor, where you'll see various options. What we're interested in today is the option to add elements. Once you have spotted it, click on it. This section is essentially your treasure trove for enhancing your website's functionality and aesthetics. By leveraging these elements, you're able to customize your page to better suit your specific needs and vision. After clicking on Add Elements, you'll notice an option to embed code. This is where we need to focus our attention next. By selecting Embed Code, we open up the possibility to integrate custom elements that truly personalize your site. Click on Embed Code, and you'll see an element appear on your page. Now, you want to click on the newly added custom element to configure it properly. This is a crucial step because it is here that you will define the source of your custom element. So go ahead and click on the custom element, and then look for the Choose Source option. When you click Choose Source, you'll be presented with two options for providing the source code, either through a server URL or a Velo file. Let's start with the server URL. Selecting this option allows you to enter a URL that directly points to your source code, including the file name. Ensure that your URL is complete and valid because this serves as the backbone of your custom element's functionality. Double-check to avoid any errors, as a faulty URL might lead to a non-functional or wrongly displayed element on your web page. For those of you who are utilizing Velo, an advanced development platform that enhances site capabilities, there is an alternative approach. If you have your source code uploaded to Velo, you can directly choose the Velo file option. This provides a streamlined way to embed custom code, especially if you're managing multiple site files within the Velo environment. Lastly, we enter the tag name. Tag names play a role in how the element is recognized and interacted with by your web page. It's critical to choose a tag name that is both descriptive and intuitive, helping anyone who works on the page understand the purpose of the custom element instantly. With that, you have successfully added a custom element to your web page. If everything is configured correctly, your web page should now display the integrated feature as expected. This concludes our session for today. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to customize your web page effectively, adding a personal touch that resonates with your site's audience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.